Yeah, one more is like mark, and one more thing is like small. This small is small text to denote the small text, and one more thing is like delete. This one is like suppose I want to have a para, and this para has delete tag. So I am giving here some del and this element, this text is deleted. So with this, you can find like this text will be deleted while it is rendering in the front end. Okay, and one more thing is like we have insert. This also this para has insert tag that is like ins. Yeah, this text is inserted. Okay, so one more thing is like we are having subscript and superscript. So if we are seeing this subscript, it is yeah, okay. It is like para. So para has subscript, and that is like sub, and I am giving I am subscripted. Superscript. Okay. Yeah, okay. This one is like superscript. And now you can find the output here in the. I am going to the place where this is located. So it's there in HTML blocks. I am going to have here sample read scroll. So we will be having here this one. So yeah, now we can find this details like formatted text, this and all. So I will divide this and some. So if I see now, and yeah. So from here it is one is like the bold, one is like this bold, and other one is like a strong text, and one more is like can you break for not having a confusion. Okay, can break this elements here. Here it is. Okay. Now we can find more clear. Like this is bold and this is strong text, and this is italic. This is italic, which is emphasized. This is one more format, which is emphasized, and this is marked. This text is marked. It will be marked as a background color, some yellow, and one is like a small, and one more is like a text, small text, and one more is like para. But in this para, this text is deleted, and one more thing is like insert. So I am going to insert this dot. This text is inserted, and one more thing is like subscript. So subscript is like it will come below just to the font, and one more is like superscript. This is a superscript. It will be like create coming as a power kind of format. Okay, so these are the different formatting we have, and we'll see some
Emphasize is similar to italic tag, right?
no
Emphasize tag is.
no, it's not very similar. It is you can see this is T is not in italic.
Okay.
T is not in italic. It is seem to be similar, but it has its own. There is no, I mean, capital letters allowed inside this italic. And one more thing is like quote. We'll see short quotes, block quote, and quote tags. They are quote tag. Okay, they are like this. Actually. So Q and it will be like first I will go for a para. Uh, example quote. So it's like a Q, and it will bring that into single quotes actually. It's like this. We have to go for some India or something, and here we are going to go for a block quote. One more quote is there. That is a block quote where I can be mentioning like a block quote. So this I'm going to give some yeah, Asia. And one more thing is okay. Now if I see this, you can find like India is in the codes, and you can find here the blocked code like it is I mean separated like I just more block kind of. Yeah, you can find like it is having one space, and it is occupying a block actually. If you see some block code alone, it will be having one specific block for its own, and this is it will be separate. It will be I mean starting by giving paddings and all, by padding and merging and to start, but this will be starting from the very first index itself. That's the difference. And one more what is like abbreviation to do some abbreviation like so if I have like this the ABBR is a tag, and here it is title is equal to some world health organization. Okay. World Health Organization. Organization. And it's like a WHO. WHO. Yeah. USA. So now if I see this, I can find like I'll close this inspect. If I go for 1 second, yeah, you can find here abbreviation World Health Organization. So likewise, abbreviation tag will work. And we have one more block code tag, that is address. To mention any address, like in general, if you type anything in div, what will happen is it will be keep on continuing one after the other string. But if you are mentioning that as it is in the address, it will be there. It will be preserved as it is. Okay. So if you are taking here some return, okay. Okay, number 13. Okay, number 13. So I'm going to break all this here. Specifically, this is for to mention an address. Okay, there is nothing like much it will do. Find this in here, and one more is like we have site CAT site. It will define it. It will be displaying in the format of italic. Let's click on. Screen. It's like more block code it is. Like para example for site tag. So here I am going to have here site some kind of so I have here this site, and then I can find it will be I mean taking in the format of italic, but it will be preserving the as a block it will come, and also it will preserve the whatever we are entered here, like a capital or small or whatever it is. It will be preserving the same format. Okay. And one more we have, that is like BDO.
Once again, you explain that site.
Site will take, it will display in the format of italic, but it
Okay,
will preserve the capital letters.
I mean, like if we enter capital letters,
it will be preserved, right? See, if I went yeah, if we giving some capital letters here, they are preserved as it is. It's like it will define the title of some work, or if it will define some author name, not author name, title of some work. Or
Okay.
suppose if you are giving some kind of article or something.
Yes, citations.
Yeah, citations kind of, yeah.
And one more doubt, like if we enter capital letters in italic tag, it won't print.
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, it will be printing in this format, this kind of format.
Okay.
As you can see, like there is some difference between. And one more thing we have like bidirectional means actually they are specifically for some users, but it is not something, there is no correlation between them, but they are used for different purposes. Suppose if we go for an address, that address is used for only for address texting. Suppose when the person is if I want to write a letter or something, then the address block, what to mention is we have to mention the address format. And also, so and also for codes we can use like queue. We can also mention like take like suppose for example code, I can mention like this also. I can mention like this also, and then I can use something else. But still, the code parameter is specific for such kind of I mean, whatever the requirement it is. It is very specific for that text.
For
Okay.
quotation.
Yeah, yeah, quotation. What I'm telling you is it is there. There is no correlationship between them. They are just like a, I mean, we have to use this statement for this purpose, such kind. And one more thing is like BDO, bidirectional override. Bidirectional override. It will display the text from right to left and left to right. Okay. So if I have like the text is displayed like this, I have, and I just want to make this from right to left. I can go for RTL. This is of the class. So if I see here, so from right to left, I mean text is displayed. Okay. So if I want to go for the same with the left to right, I can go for LTR, left to right. Okay. So here, yeah, I will break this for better. Right here. Okay. Yeah, this is about the quotations, and if we'll see some comments actually, or some different comments.
That BDO tag from left to right, it will print right in a bidirectional way.
Yeah, it will bidirectional override.
Oh, we need to give direction
Yeah,
right to left.
right to left.
Yeah, I'm noting down all this. So
Yeah, it's like from left to right as it is, from right to left in a reverse order. It will consider this total string into one index, and it will be taking this the to the end, and after that text, and after that is, and after that displayed, and likewise we will be getting this one. Okay. And just like how you see in a mirror.
yes, got it.
Yeah. And one more thing is like comments. How to comment a particular HTML tag is something like you can comment with like this actually. Okay, this is commenting HTML tag. So, and also we are having we can also comment more than one statement. If I want to comment this, if I think I have here this two statements, and I want to comment this entire statements, then I can go ahead and then do comment here. And if yeah, if I have here, you can mention like we cannot do like this. Okay, we have to either once if it is commented, it should be commented, and this will expect the end parameter. Once it is finding the starting parameter again, it will this will throw us an error. So to comment a multiple line, we have to ensure this in between this quotation should not be coming. Okay, and yeah, that's about comments, and we'll see some colors. Okay, how to display the colors in the background of your image or something. So let us go for here body, and here I am giving one style, and I am giving some background color, and okay. So can you find here this this one as a background of the total body. So if I see all this are belonging the body, even this welcome para also. And if I want to give for specific element style, what should I do? Style is equal to some color. So color will always mention the font color. So it will be mentioning like the font color of HTML page. Okay. This HTML para. Okay. Background color is different. Color is different. Color background color is like for this DOM background. I mean, it will display the color in the background. But coming for the color, it will display the color for the font. Okay. And one more thing is like one more thing is like we can see like borders border kind of styles. So let us think I have here one header h1 header, but I am expecting this to have some border for this. So I can give a style here, and I have to come here border and colon 2 pixel, and I am giving here some solid and some tomato. So it will be displaying the border for this header. Okay. And yeah, so that's about the colors element wise, and also body wise, and header wise, like an coloring the particular border. Okay. And we are going to see some links. Those are some hyperlinks. Do you know any guy Vijay Banshukla is joining? Nothing. Okay, nothing. And one more thing here we are having is like anchor tag. We will see now how to use about comments, right? After that, you can see like anchor tag. Like for this anchor tag, I can go for A. Anchor tag, what it will do? It will be routing our link to some other HTML. Okay, some other web page, Okay, so for that I can have here some anchor tag, and I am going to see here some href, and I can see some https google.com, www.google.com. Okay. So I am going to give you some text. Visit Google. So once I do this, I can think you'll be having this one here. Take this line. Okay. So will be finding this widget Google. So speaking slow. Check one more time. HTTPS and colon for 2 forward slashes and google.com. Okay, so 4 W's. Okay, now you can find it. Okay. So if I want to open this in a separate page, or if I want to open this in a separate page, I have to give here target and blank. Okay, so this will be pushing this tag to some other new tab. So like this, I click here and go for other page. It won't be overriding on the same page. For that, I am using target is equal to underscore blank. And I think, yeah, you can give like some text for this link if you want, like some style is equal to some
Strike tag is same as delete tag, right?
which one?
Strike tag.
No, striker. Okay. Your
Deleter means it is striking out, like, yeah, like that. So it's strike tag.
you are talking marked. One is
Not
deleted.
strike. That's separate tag. I think it is similar to that delete tag. Once you try.
Okay.
Strike.
There will be some difference, like strike and delete. Like yeah, it's you can delete. 1 second. Strike is like I think it's no longer it is available. Suppose here I am going to um, 1 second. Delete is here, right? Okay. And this is a strike. Okay. And I'm going to give here some strike. Both still I mean actually delete represents the removal from the document. Document means or a document object model. Strike it will represent like contents that are no longer accurate or relevant, but it will be available in the document. Okay, so it will be available in the document still. That is the basic difference. But they both seem to be same, but the operation wise, like delete it will be remove, it will remove from the document. Strike it will represent the content is no longer available, but still the
But
content.
it is the delete tag is showing, right?
Yeah, delete tag is showing. Suppose forget about this text. Let us think you are having here some variable. Okay, variable. Okay, now that variable should be available in your in your HTML. Though it is deleted, it should be available in the HTML. So you just want to tell to the user the person is not available, or this account number is not available. At that point of time you can go for delete. But still, when next time when the when the iteration is coming, that strike whatever the variable we have deleted, that should be available, right? At that point of time we can go for strike. It's like strike is so something like the content is no longer accurate, but still it is used as an it is available in the document. Okay, that's the basic difference. Document means right, document object model behind the screen. One more thing. So we are in discussion of giving some style for this anchor tag. That is like this actually. We colon some link, and here I am giving some. I will give some class here, anchor class. Okay, anchor class. Let us give this as some ID. So this anchor class, whatever I have, I am going to make it as one style here, and it's like a colon some link. So here I'm giving some color, some green, yeah, and yeah, color green, and one more thing is like visited. If it is visited, I am going to make that color to the pink, and if it is hovered, if it is hovered, hovered means once the mouse is going on top of the text, that event is called as hover color. Yes, right. So let us test this.
By default, it is in blue color, right? That link, and if we visit that link, it will.
Yeah, that will override.
Purple. Yes.
And once you visited it, yeah, it will be. See, initially it is blue, and once it is like visited, once it is hovered, it will become red, and once it is visited, it's already visited. That's why it is pink. If you see, yeah. Okay, got this point, and so this is about a few tags we are having. Like we have discussed like almost 20, I think so, tags like formatting tags, para and bold, italic, and emphasized, mark and small, delete, insert, and also subscripted, superscripted, and address, block quote, and quote. And here I am having abbreviation and address tag, and I am seeing some site block quote, and left to right and right to left. We have to give dir RTL and dir LTR for displaying the text, and we have seen like anchor tag, like which will route to the some other web page. If I want to go for and it should be displaying in an some other tab, means I have to give target equal to underscore blank. And yeah, if I want to give some styles, I can give here this class parameter. Okay, I didn't use this, and directly I have used anchor link, anchor visited, and anchor hover. Okay. So that's about today's class. Yeah, do you have any doubts? Hello.
As per up to now, I have no
Okay.
doubts.
Yeah, I will.
Like,
Yeah, tell me. What
what's my today's task?
today's task is like okay. You 1 second.